Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Toyota Tundra. Let's start by laying down the fundamental structure. First, sketch a large rectangle to represent the main body of the truck. Then, add a slightly smaller elevated rectangle on the left side to form the cab. Finally, place 4 distinct circles for the wheels, ensuring they are properly aligned with the body's base. This initial framework is crucial for maintaining correct proportions throughout your drawing process. Now, let's refine the basic shapes we've established. Gently round off the sharp corners of both the main body and the cab to give the truck a more realistic and less blocky feel. Next, carefully draw in the windshield and the side windows within the cab section. Don't forget to outline the distinct lines of the truck bed and the characteristic shape of the front grille. These details begin to bring your Tundra to life. With the main body taking shape, it's time to focus on the smaller yet essential exterior features. Begin by detailing the wheels, add the distinct patterns of the rims and the rugged texture of the tire treads. Then, carefully draw the headlights at the front, the taillights at the rear, and the side mirrors on the cab. Don't forget to include the subtle door lines and handles to complete the truck's functional appearance. For our final steps, we'll bring everything together. Carefully erase all the initial guidelines you used, leaving only your refined drawing. Next, apply subtle shading to various parts of the truck, especially under the body and around the wheels, to create a sense of depth and dimension. Finally, use slightly darker and more confident lines for the main outlines to make your Toyota Tundra truly pop off the page. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.